Mother's Day is just around the corner, and if you are struggling to get the best gift for your mother, then you are on the right place, because here I will be helping you with not just 5, 10 but 20 unique gift ideas to choose from, and I can assure you that your mom gonna love these items. So let's get just started with this video, because there is a lot to cover, and without any further ado, let's get started. But make sure you subscribe to my channel before that. So now let's get started. So the first in the list is personalized jewelry, and our moms love jewelries. In today's world, there are a lot more options to get your jewelry personalized. There are a lot small businesses out there, those who can help you find the perfect personalized jewelry for your mom. So moving on to the next. The next one is well deserved, a spa day. So treat your mom to a relaxing day at the spa where she can unwind and de-stress, and this is a well deserved, so you must do it. So number third is a very common but a very unique way to show your love. So this is to make a photo album of your family. So what you have to do, just take few recent pictures you have taken with your family and combine it in a collage and make it a photo album. So now moving on to the next. So the fourth one is bouquet of flowers. Yeah, this never goes old. So just give her really cool, refreshing flowers of her choice and make her day more beautiful. So now the next one is fitness tracker. So in this world of AI tools, gift your mom something that she can use to take care of her health and fitness. So give her a fitness tracker. It is a great gift for the mom who loves to stay active and healthy. So I think this will be the best option if your mom really loves to stay fit and just to keep her health on track. So the next one is my favorite, that is a self-care basket. So what you can do, you can just create or order a customized basket for your mother, which includes all her favorite items. That could be body lotion, bath salts, candles, and a shampoo kit, or something that she loves. So that would be a great way to pamper her. So the next one could be a little tricky for you guys, because in here you have to make a personalized cookbook for your mom. So just grab a diary and a notebook and put all her favorite dishes in just one place, then what she likes, and if you want, you can cook for your mom that day and surprise her with that if you're not good at cooking, and you can have your meal together. Okay, so next one is a DIY kit where you have to gift her something unique that she has never tried. So you can gift her something which is related to glass painting, or a resin art kit, or a candle making kit, which she can enjoy and learn at the same time. So this could be really engaging, and if you want, you can do that activity together with your mom to spend some more time. So the next one is my personal favorite, and if you follow me on Instagram and YouTube regularly, then you must have an idea that what I'm talking about. Yeah, I think you guessed it right. It's scented candles, and I love scented candles. I adore them, and I love making scented candles. I love gifting them as well. So if you are looking for something great that your mom will love, that is something scented candle. अगर आप कुछ और भी दे रहे हो, just make sure you add a scented candle along with it. So moving on to the next. So now this one is pretty much on the environment side. So what you can do, you can just get her a personalized gift that could be a starting kit for a sustainable living. That could include bamboo toothbrush, straws, scrubbers, and different kinds of skincare products. That could be shampoo bar, homemade soaps, and all other items. And that would be great if you just gift her something that she can start her sustainable journey. So you see, these days there is a trending going on for personalized gifts, and I think that's really a good idea to get your love or message personalized to showcase more love and attraction towards the person you are gifting. And there are a lot more creators and brands, those who are fulfilling your this personalized gifts needs. And in my last video, this one, I have mentioned a few of the platforms where you can get your personalized gifts ready. And right now I have a lot of names in my mind that do deal with personalized gifts and customized gifts. So if you want me to mention some of them, just let me know in the comment section so that I can make a separate video for that. So now moving on to our next gift option. Alright, so the next one is to gift something related to home decor. It could be anything, be it linen, be it a showpiece, or something that your mom love to decorate in her personal space. So this could be a really great idea to give her that comfort or make that particular ambience around her. So the next one is Indian mom's favorite. Can you guess? Yeah, it's chai. So what you can do, you can just gift her a pack of exotic tea flavors from different brands. And as I mentioned, there are lots of brands out there, so choose one of the brands that you really like, and yeah, gift it to your mom and let her enjoy her chai. Wait, chai without tea set? No. Maar khani hai kya? You have to include tea set, wo bhi fancy wala. So make sure to add fancy tea set along with the tea flavors that you're gonna give to your mom. So that could be a combination of her great afternoon. So yeah, moving on to the next. So we are done with her spa, we are done with her fitness, we are done with her chai, and what about her hair? So make sure you include something related to hair. That could be anything, be it a hair tool or a hair care range. So yeah, that was one. Moving on to the next. Alright, so the next one is a vanity. If your mom loves makeup, then you should give her a vanity where she can just keep all her makeup at one place, and that will be very helpful for her to organize her all makeup stuff. Now moving on to our next one is gardening tools. And if your mom loves gardening, then consider gifting her a set of high quality gardening tools. She'll love spending time in the garden with her new tools, and you might even get some fresh produce out of it. So this was a great idea, right? You can do that as well. Moving on to the next. So this one could be a bonus for you. Yes, bonus. You know why? Because it's sari, and all our Indian moms love sari, because sari could be a timeless and classic gift option that your mother would cherish for all years to come. This is a great option you can go for. If you don't find anything or are confused, then sari is the one that you can always go for. The next one is really trending, that is a smart speaker. So you can get a smart speaker for your mom that will help her to keep herself updated, organized, connected, and entertained with its voice activated features. And that could be a really cool thing for your mom to include in her life. So the next one is yoga mat, which could be a really great gift if your mom is a fitness freak or she just want to start her fitness journey. So this is the last one, that is handwritten letters or handmade gift cards. This is something that never goes out of fashion because it is something which is really touchy for both of them, for the person who is sending and the person who is receiving it. So the personal touch shows that you have put thought and effort into creating something unique for the person you love. It can add a personal touch to the gift, making it more meaningful and special. A handmade gift card can showcase your creativity and imagination that you put forward in the letters or the gift cards that you are making. So handmade gift cards and letters always works. Alright, so we have shared 20 unique gift ideas with you all. So I hope you have enough ideas for your Mother's Day gift, and let me know which one helped you for the perfect gift for your mom and if she liked it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really loved this video and find this video really helpful, and if you did, let me know in the comment section and share this video with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram right here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.